This is important, so pay attention. This is how you solve quadratic equations over a set of complex numbers by Izzy and Dima. Okay. A complex number is in the form a plus bi, bi being the imaginary unit and I being the imaginary number. So you're going to need to use
imagination.
If a function cannot be solved over a set of real numbers, solve over a set of complex numbers using the quadratic equation x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
Ready for an example?
Example 1. Solve negative x squared plus 4x equals 5 over a set of complex numbers. Write in standard form by subtracting 5 from each side. The standard form is negative x squared plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Determine the variables that you're going to plug in into the quadratic equation. A equals negative 1, b equals 4, and c equals negative 5. Plug your variables into the quadratic equation. X equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times negative 5 all over 2 times negative 1. Now you simplify your equation. 4 squared is 16. 4 times negative 1 times negative 5 is 20. 16 minus 20 is negative 4. So your final equation should be negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 over negative 2.
A negative under a radical?
Because we have a negative under the radical, the solution would be a complex number. The square root of negative 4 can be broken down into square root of 4 times square root of negative 1. The square root of negative 1 is equal to I, the imaginary number. Therefore, the square root of negative 4 equals the square root of 4 times I. The simplified equation is now x equals negative 4 plus or minus 2I over negative 2. To finish solving the function, divide negative 4 plus or minus 2i divided by negative 2 by negative 2, leaving you with x equals 2 plus or minus I. The solutions are 2 plus I and 2 minus I.
The end.